Turbotax login, how to fix H&R Block Online login and login issues. If you're experiencing login issues with H&R Block Online, here are some tips to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Quick troubleshooting steps. 1. Check your credentials, ensure your username and password are entered correctly. Remember, they are case sensitive. Verify that the caps lock or number lock keys are not accidentally enabled. 2. Reset your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Username/Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password. You'll need access to the email or phone number associated with your account. 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored cache and cookies can interfere with the login process. Clear them and try logging in again. 4. Update your browser. Ensure you're using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers may cause compatibility issues. 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, switch to another browser, example Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or device to see if the problem is browser specific. 6. Disable browser extensions. Certain extensions, like ad blockers, can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable them and try again. 7. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login issues. 8. Verify. Your account has been inactive for a long time, it might require reactivation. Contact H&R Block support for assistance. Advanced troubleshooting. 1. Firewall or antivirus settings. Check if your firewall or antivirus software is blocking the H&R Block website. Add it to the list of allowed sites if necessary. 2. Use the correct login link. Always use the official login page, H&R Block login, https://www.hrblock.com/tax-center/support/online/cannot-access-online-account/login-issues. 3. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to H&R Block's customer support for personalized assistance. You can find help on their support page, https://www.hrblock.com/tax-center/support. These tips should help you resolve most login issues.